Hello friends, welcome to my channel MSI's Classes. In today's video I will give you 8 band template for speaking part 2. The question is, describe a foreign country or culture you want to know more about, and the bullet point, which country it is or what culture, where it is, how you know about it, why you want to know more about it. So guys, इसका आंसर आपको प्रेजेंट में देना है, तो मैं आपको एक आंसर दे रहा हूँ जो कि आर्ट बैंड का होगा. So guys, first of all, if you're new to this channel, please hit the like button and don't forget to comment on the video. Also guys, if you new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the notification bell. Let's look at the model answer. I have always wanted to learn about foreign cultures. I like meeting people from different places and learning about how we are similar and how we are different. However, there is one culture I have always had a little more fascination with than any other. It is the Japanese culture. The main reason is that I like watching a lot of Japanese movies. Also, in my childhood, I used to read a lot of Japanese manga, which are Japanese graphic novels, and anime, which are Japanese cartoons. Even now, I sometimes play some animal series on YouTube or Netflix. I have found that Japan is different from all other in some ways. For example, during the 2011 tsunami, there was no looting, no violence. This does not happen even in country like the US. I remember when I read it, I found it very strange. Recently, I read that the reason for it is that morals and ethics are major part of their curriculum from primary school onward. So perhaps this is one reason why. Another thing I read in manga was that there are no maid in schools. Japanese children clean their schools on rotations. There are these small things which make me curious to learn about them. One more thing that comes to my mind is that they have different shoes for wearing inside the house or outside to prevent the spread of germs. Another incident that really raised my admiration was when they refused to sell India nuclear technology because they themselves are not using it anymore. They have certain beliefs and they practice such beliefs first. They are not just plain words. Lastly, we also certainly share certain things. For example, Buddhism is a religion that originated in India, is a major religion there. I also know that most of my knowledge about Japan is partial. It is from manga, anime, and a little bit of news. So, if I get the opportunity, I would definitely like to learn about Japan and its people. So, guys, this was the 8 band answer which I can share with you. So guys, if you find this video helpful, so please hit the like button and don't forget to comment on the video. Also guys, please subscribe कर देना चैनल को and notification bell को दबाना मत भूलना for timely updates. And thanks for watching guys.